in previously we can see soft assertions and some pending annotation methods. Now we will discuss about wait. Next topic. Let's go. Our decisions is completed. Dependency methods. Okay. See this dependency methods. I have multiple tests in my single class. Okay. What is dependency method means? I have multiple tests in my single class. Okay. So open app is one class. In that login, search, advanced search, and logout. These four are okay methods in that. There are multiple tests in single class. Single class is what open app. Since I will create multiple test methods for each step. Okay. For each step, I will create multiple test methods. So TestNG will execute all 5 test methods, all these 5 test methods. And if you run the test, for example, if you open up, okay, open up method is fail some reason. Open up method is fail some reason, and a test some expected results are not equal to actual results. The test case is fail in the open up method. Okay. So next TestNG will execute what login method. Login method also fail. So if open method is fail, login method also fail. After login method fail, search method also fail. Okay, after search method fail, advanced search method also fail, and logout method also fail here. Okay. See here in this case, if open up method will got fail, remaining all test methods also fail. Okay. So here what is the requirements? So first requirements, if open app test method I got fail, I don't want to execute rest of the methods. If open app method is fail here, and I don't want to run the series. Open app method is fail. I don't want to execute the rest of the remaining methods. Login, search, advanced search, and logout. Okay. If my open method got failed, we just skip on what login method, skip search method, skip advanced method, skip, and logout. These 4 methods I will skip. Okay. These 4 methods are skipped here. Okay. These methods are dependent on particular method, open app method. See this login dependent on open app. So why login dependent on open app? So after open the app, we can log in. Okay, that is the rule. That's why login is depend upon what open app method. Okay. Next same search is depend upon advanced search. Okay. Search and advanced search is depend upon what login. Okay. See this search and advanced search. These both methods are depend upon what login method. Okay. Next logout is dependent on also login method. For example, even dependency method got failed open app, then testing will pass the dependency methods login, search, advanced search, and logout. Okay. See this. In real time, it is not possible. In real time, actually, if dependency is failed, okay, failed and open app, remaining all are also failed. Okay. Okay, I can explain that now only example. That's why if open up is failed, login will be skipped here, and remaining 3 methods will be executed. Okay. In real time, if open app is failed, remaining rest of all 4 methods are what fail or not executed. Okay. But testing will fail dependency method for original Selenium code. So note, identify the dependency methods here. Dependence on methods. Okay. Write the method names. Method 1, method 2. If you write method 1, only method 1 name. It is applicable for what? At the rate of 10 test annotation. Okay. Okay. It is applicable only test annotation. Okay. Advantage. No need to execute unnecessary methods. And before executing the test method, and we can cross check the dependent method is executed or not. So I can see first example. So now I can create one small package here. See this, and here I can create one small package. I can close these 2 classes also. So wait. So I can create what new package. Package name is what dependency. Okay. I can create one new package. Package name is dependency. DEPEN DEPENDENCY dependency. Okay. Click finish. In that dependency, okay, I can create one new class. So I can open TestNG Java. See this. Right? You can create one new class. What is the class here? So I can create class name is sorry, I can delete this. Okay, so minimize this. I can click and create one new package. Package name is dependency. Okay, after dependency, click finish. So in that dependency, I can create one new class. Class name is what? Okay, here class name is public class DB. Okay, dependency one, DEP dependency one. So I can click finish here. Okay, dependency class will be created or not. So in here, I can give, wait, I can close this methods also, class also, at the rate of text. Okay, ESC test. And next, I will give test with priorities. PRI priority one. I can give priority one here and enter void. So void open up. Okay, void open up. So yes, let's see here. I can insert test annotation. Import. I can import this test annotation. Import test annotation. See here, I can write what asset dot a assert asset dot asset true. Okay, asset dot asset true. In that we can write what true statement. Okay. Otherwise you can write here first I can write what true. Okay, true. Now I can create for same test priority two. I can give 5 priorities here. Copy this. Control C. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first one open up and next one what? Priority 2 means login. Okay, I can use login here. LOGIN login. So next one priority 3. So priority 3 means search here. SEARCH. Next priority 4. Okay, I can give priority 4 for advanced search. ADV SEARCH. So I can give fifth priority for logout. Okay. See wait here. Logout. LOGOUT. Okay. Logout. See here. I can create now these 5 methods. These 5 ways. Okay. Open up, login, search, advanced search, and logout. Okay. Now, see. Now save the file and run it. Save it and run as what? TestNG. Okay. Right. It is running. See here, 5 test cases are passed or not? Open up passed, login passed. Okay. And next search is passed, advanced search is passed, and logout is also passed. See this. Open up passed, advanced search is passed, and okay, why advanced search is passed here? Advanced search priority is what? 4. But open up advanced search, login, search, and finally logout. Okay, 5 is passed or not? 5 is passed here. Priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4, priority 5. Okay, so there are 5 priorities here. So next I can create another class. See this is another class. Dependency, right click and click on class. So class name is what? Dependency 2 here. Okay, I can finish. I can write same code here at the rate of test annotations. Copy and paste into DEP2. See, here I can give what? First of all, true here. In open up, I can give false. Okay. In open up, I can give false. So if you give false here, so priority means priority comma 2 comma, sorry, control Z. So 2 comma depends on methods. methods equal to open brace, close brace, and in that we can write what? Open app, open app series. Series. So login method depends upon open app. Okay. Login method is depends upon open app. Why means if you open app is performs true, then login will be also true. So if open up is false, then login also skipped here. Okay. Now we can save this file and run the output. Run as TestNG. See here, one skip. Okay, one failure. What? Okay, which one is failure here? So open app method is failure here. Why means if hazard dot true, this is the expected results. So false means it is the actual results. Expected results are not equal to actual results. The test condition is fail here. Okay, test is failed here. So that's why open app will be failed. So failed means failure will comes in failure one. And second one login. So login depends upon what? See here, login is depends upon open app. That's why login open app is failed. Login is skipped here. That's why skip one means login. So remaining two is passed here. What is the remaining two? Void search to see this. I can write. It actually is there is one mistake. Open this browser base at the rate of test priority for search. Test priority for advanced search. Okay. No, I can run this. See here, 3 is passed here or not? Okay, 3 will be passed here. What is the 3? Search is 1 and advanced search is passed and logout is also passed here. In real time, these 3 are also not passed. Why means if open app is failed, remaining all are all failed or not executed. Okay, this is only example. That's why it shows passes 3. Real time, it is not possible. Okay, here this is passed. Okay, open up is passed. Then execute. Otherwise, skip here. Okay, in real time, launch failed, all are failed. Okay, original code failed. Here login skipped means depends upon open app method. Open app is also failed here. Okay, this is also login also failed. Now I will create another class. So class name is dependency 3. So I will give DEP3. I can create. Okay, in dependency class. Now see here I will give same like previous. Okay. Copy this code. Control C. Okay, I can paste it here. See this. So here priority 1 open up and next priority 2 depends upon what? Open up. And next depends upon control C. So priority 3 what depends upon the condition is true here. Okay, I can give that when condition is true here. Yeah, you true here. So depends upon priority 3 is depends upon what? Login, not okay, not open up. So search is depend upon login. And advanced search is also depend upon what? Login. And logout is also depends upon logout is also depends upon login. See here, see the output now. So I can give in third one I can give what login give failure false here. Okay, I can write the login as false here. Okay, well, let's see. So now save the file and run it. Okay, save the file. So first of all, I will give all are passed here. That's why we can give true here. See this. Save the file and run as 5. Okay, 5 will be passed or none. Now we'll check this. Run as TestNG. See here, I will click it. Okay, 5 are passed. There is no failures, no skips. So I can give login as false here. Okay, I can give login as false. Next, login as false means search and okay, and advanced search both are depends upon what login method. These two are skips and login method is failed here. Now check this. Save the file and run as TestNG test. See this 3 will be skipped here. Okay, what is the 3 will be skipped? So I can failure 1. Failure means this is the failure. Okay, this is the failure. Failure is a login is failure here, and remaining 3 will be skips. Why skips? And it is searches depends upon login, and advanced searches depend upon login, and last logout is also depends upon what login here. That's why these 3 are okay. That's why these 3 are skipped. That's why the 3 are skipped. So one is passes. Why one is passes? Open up will be passed here. Okay, open up will be passed. Why means asset dot asset expected condition is okay. Expected so the expected results are equal to actual results. Okay, true is false. Okay, both are matching. This condition will be passed here. Okay, remaining are not matched. Okay, the expected condition what true login. Next, actual results are what false here. Okay, expected results are not equal to actual results. These are not matching. That's why condition is failure. So after condition fail, the remaining 3 methods are skipped. Okay, why means they are both remaining search, advanced search, and logout method. Okay, both the 3 methods are depends upon what login. That's why these 3 methods are skipped here. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, I can create one another class. So what is the class name? See here. I can create one another class. Class name is department 4. Okay, dependency 4. I can create this same code copy here from department 3. Okay. So I can copy the code. So the code will be paste copy and paste into DVP4. Okay. See here, I can give the priorities. First one is open up priority, asset true. Next priority 2 depends upon what open up method. And advanced search depends upon 3. Okay. Search method depends upon login. Okay. Next advanced search method depends on priority 4 depends upon methods. Here I will give 2 methods. What? Oh, login and search. Okay. This advanced method is search on login, comma search method. Okay. Search method. Next test 5 priority depends upon what login here. Now we can see the output here. Okay. So save the file, right click, okay, and run as TestNG. See this. Here also failure 1 skips 3. Why skips 3? Sorry, I can give true here. So all are true. In condition search, I can give false. You see this? We can give all are true. Five conditions are passed or not. First, let's check one. Click one second. Save the file and run as TestNG. See this. Okay, in console. See here, 5 conditions are passed. That means all are true. So all our expected results are equal to actual results. That's why all conditions are true. So next, I will give search method. We can give true in place of true. Instead of true, we can give false here. Okay, I can save the file and run it. Run as the testng.test. See this. Here failure 1. Why? So open up method is passed here. That's why passes 1 filled. Next login method what? Login method also passed here. That's why passes 2. Next see search method. Search method is failed here. Why means expected results are not equal to actual results. They are not matching. That's why the condition is failure here. That's why failure is 1 here. So next advanced search. Okay, advanced search. See this. Advanced search depend upon what? Login and search. Okay, here login is failed. That's why the advanced search condition is also skipped here. Okay. Wait. The advanced condition is skipped here. Why means before condition search is failed. Okay, before condition search is failed, and after that advanced condition is what? Skipped here. Okay. So next final what? Logout. Logout is depends upon only login. not okay. So not the search and advanced search. That's why this condition will be passed. Okay. So 3 will be passed here. What is the 3 conditions? Open app, login and log out. These 3 conditions are passed here. And the failure condition is what? Search is the failure condition. Okay. And advanced search is the skip condition. Okay. This is the dependency methods. So next topic is groups. We will discuss in next class.